next module, which is entitled Data Organization and Presentation. Previously, we have talked about data collection procedures, which is the first word in the definition of statistics, which is collection. After collection, we should be able to organize those gathered data and of course to present them. So first, let's talk about data organization. Um, let's define that first though. It is a systematic arrangement of summarizing this raw data. When you say raw data, so from the word itself, it's raw. Shall we say literally, it's never been cooked. Um, so we mean that for those data which are not yet organized. So it is so that it would be easier to analyze and study. The next question that would come to mind is that how would we be able to properly organize the data that we have, the raw data that we have just gathered? So there are three major ways to present the data. It could be that we can present it via tables. We're going to use tables to present it, and we're going to make use of the proper APA format. I think that the recent right now is the seventh edition APA format. We can make use of graphs as well, bar graphs, pie charts, Pareto graphs, among others. And we're going to have and make use of numerical summaries, which we will be going back in module number 4, like for example, the central tendencies and the variabilities. Right now, we're going to focus on tables and graphs. So the graph that we would like to do, or the table that we would like to present when we are organizing um, data, is what we call a frequency distribution. Now, I would just want to emphasize that in this video, we're going to first organize qualitative type of data. So in short, those data which are in terms of categories and levels. For the quantitative data, it will have its own video, which will be posted soon. So a frequency distribution is a tabular summary showing the number, the tally in some old books, traditional books, or the frequency of items in each of the several non-overlapping classes. So when you say it's non-overlapping, we meant that it's mutually exclusive. So this lists each category or level and the number of recurrences in each of the given category or level of data. So how do we construct this? First, let's take a look at its important and salient points. First, we want to know that we should make use of appropriate label headings. Number two, the categories or the levels of the variable being organized should be non-overlapping, which was discussed a while ago. The frequency or the tally, which means the number of times the category level appeared in the data set, we should write that down. And the percentage, or in some books they call it relative frequency, which is basically the same computation. It's equal to your frequency divided by the sum of those frequencies, or the total. You multiply that then by 100% to put it in percent format. So in this working out of the frequency distribution table, we're not going to make use of the traditional way of manually creating the table on a piece of paper and such. We're going to integrate statistical software so that it will make our lives easier, and we would take more time in analyzing the numbers there rather than constructing the table itself. Anyways, when we construct a table, making use of this software, which we will make use, which is Jamovi, it's already in the making use of the 3-line rule and the APA format. So I would suggest for us to go here in this link. We will download this Jamovi, and this will be our official software for our classes. Though there will be some times wherein we're gonna shift from Jamovi to Excel. For those things that Jamovi does not give us, we will go to Excel, especially for the creation of graphs and tables. So I'm gonna stop in this video so that you can have Jamovi first. The moment you have that, download that in your own laptop, in your own device, and well, we will then continue with the next video. So we will be using that. So thank you very much.